how to install a M.2 into a motherboard. Firstly, this is the M.2 slot, and this is the M.2 SSD here. Yeah, here. Now we are just gonna install it. Sorry if I accidentally hit the camera. We'll wiggle it in like this. Sorry if you can't see my hands, I think in this clip. But yeah, okay, now we just push it in. If you didn't know how, pushed it in, I'll show it again. Oh, take the screw and push it in again. Now we're gonna move my hand here. Put the screw right there. Then just screw it in. And yeah, that's how you install M.2 in a motherboard.